1, go.
All right, entering match 29, the robots are an autonomous. We see 40-26 on the red alliance going for an auton cycle. We see 51-30 following. We see 29-74 on the blue alliance going to see if they can score a 4-piece auton. We see 29-74 be successful. Can they keep going? 2 seconds left in auton. And the auton period is over. We see this red-blue line scored 5 out of 21 notes for the required symphony. The blue alliance is in lead, entering teleop. Drivers are back in control. We see 281 cycling fast. We see 9500 seeing if they can play some defense on 342. And they zip right by straight to the human player source station. 2974 playing some defense on 342 on the way to the human player source station. We see 281, 2974, 9500 all with notes in intake. And they're shooting it straight into the speaker. We see 2974 headed straight to the human player source station with a piece in hand going straight back. Will they go for an amplification, folks? Both teams have used their cooperation bonus, which has lowered the threshold for a ranking point down to 18. We see 281 missed their shot, but they're seeing if they can recover. We see 29-4, source note in hand, and they got it into the speaker. The score is 47-31 with a minute 30 left. The Blue Alliance is amplified, which means they have used their amplification bonus. The shots are now worth 5 points, and the amplification bonus is over. Remember, folks, that amplification bonus only lasts for 10 seconds, so the teams have to use it very wisely when they're lining up shots. 29-74 recharging their amp. We see the Blue Lions keeping that steady lead with the score 58-34. The Red Alliance has used their amplification bonus. The Blue Lions has followed suit with their own amplification bonus. Both teams are trying to score as many points as they can within their perfected cycle time. See 29-94 heading straight for the source note station to see if they can grab more and cycle back right back in the speaker. We see 281 following suit, following a similar cycle. We see the Red Alliance playing a combination of defense and offense, 9500 and 4026 meeting the middle. We see 5130 and 4026 playing defense on 2974. 281 followed suite. We see the Blue Alliance has activated another amplification bonus. They are trying to get as many points as possible with the amount of source notes that they can score. 30 seconds left in the match, folks. The score is 83-49. We see both teams. We see the Blue Lions has reached the above threshold required for the Symphony ranking point. We see 281. We've entered endgame, folks. The human players can now attempt to score for a high note on the microphone. We see the Blue Lions lining up to see if he can make a shot on that high note. And he goes for it, and just a miss. We see the Red Alliance lining up on this podium to see if they climb. And we see 5130 going for a climb. 2974 going for a climb on the Blue Lions with 281. The Blue Lions human player has made one high note on the microphone, and the match is over. We will have your scores momentarily. All right, folks, we have your scores ready. It is a Blue Lions victory with a score of 94-54. The Blue Lions has gained 3 ranking points from this match. Both teams went for the cooperation bonus.